Hey guys, we are in Augusta, Georgia. He says creeper, but Daddy doesn't see it. Anyway, video's down this way. Video's down this way.
I know.
We're running out of space on the camera, so we're trying to make a quick one here, guys. We are actually in Augusta, Georgia. Hurricane Florence is hitting back home in Myrtle Beach, so we had a mandatory evacuation. So we are in Augusta, Georgia for, well, at least 4 or 5 days.
Yeah.
So this will probably be the first of a few toy hunts up this way. See what we find, some new stuff. So we're at Target. Whoa, that Mickey Mouse, that's cool.
Oh, look.
I actually want this Mickey, and I might get that Mickey.
Who's that?
I don't know who that is.
Huh.
That Mickey might come home though. That is really cool.
Yeah. I want that. Whoa.
See, we've been busy. Daddy started a new job. Oh, look at Tiger Bot.
What? Daddy, they're all polices.
Look at Tiger Bot.
Whoa. Look, they're all
policemen.
police.
But so Daddy started a new job, and now with the storm coming, we're in Augusta, Georgia. So we just had some of the best, most amazing tacos I've ever had in my life. So I'll post a little picture of that somewhere right in here.
Yeah, maybe.
And oh, there's the amigos. We have quite a few of those now.
That one's rarer than yours.
Is it really?
That's full.
No,
was
mine's
6.
600. That's 4,000, baby.
No.
Yes.
Daddy.
What is that? Oh, yeah, the monster ones.
Yeah.
So some grocery gangs. Looks like old ones. Lego.
I've never seen that. What the? It's just train tracks. Why?
We're gonna hit a couple Walmarts up this way. Maybe a comic shop.
Maybe.
And
Whoa. Whoa.
see,
Are these new ones?
looks like it.
Whoa, toy handle.
And see what all we find, and we'll try to do some quick videos. These are cool. Logan wants some of these.
Yeah.
We'll see about him maybe getting a couple. If you guys heard that, I just farted. It actually I crap my pants. That's what those tacos do too.
Whoa. It's that to that. No, no, stop.
What's wrong?
No,
What's wrong?
no, stop.
What's happening?
Stop.
He's freaking out like I'm fanning a fart on him. I don't know what
You
he's talking
won't.
I don't know what he's talking about.
You won't
You know,
put any food on
sometimes
me.
he pretends that.
No,
Sometimes.
no. Whoa. 2 is 2. 2 is 2. Stop. 2 is 2.
Oh, stick bot monsters.
I know.
Yeah, ooh, that fart about ruined the whole video there, guys.
2 is 2.
I know, buddy. I see him.
That's cool. And the dragon mask. What the? Why are those here?
I don't know.
Oh, that. It
What are
comes.
those here?
It comes with
Multi-pack, yeah.
those
The
so
hugging
he
one?
can hug. Whoa. That's cool.
Yeah, it is cool.
Comes with like.
Hey, how you doing? Just looking, man. Look down there. Hulk and
Whoa.
Hulkbuster. That's really neat.
Whoa. Those are giant.
Ooh, I've never seen that.
Whoa. I think we've seen that once, right?
Whoa, Logan.
Wow.
Oh, look behind it. And another one, two with no head.
We've seen those.
I don't know.
Yeah, we've seen those.
Well, maybe we did. Look up there.
Cool.
And check it out, guys. We're all the way in Georgia. They still have to save damn wrestlers.
Only Batman and him. Only that Batman
They
and
still have the
Robin.
same freaking wrestlers. Now, I do see something weird here.
Wait, remember? What?
Power Slingers Justice League, and it's on clearance, but I've never seen these.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Oh.
whoa, whoa, talking.
Joker. Yep, interactive talking.
Cody.
This guy has flippers. I hate when they do Batman with flippers. You have Aquaman, so why do you need Batman with flippers?
Well, that joke was awesome.
Alright, so we're going to run over to the Funko real quick.
This is cool. Though.
It is cool. We'll come back to it. Let's show everybody what they got before we run out of space, okay? Did you hear me?
Yeah. Oh.
I don't want to run out of
He
space.
has the tape stuff.
Yes, he does.
Around.
Alright, so let's see if they've got Funko stuff here. I think they do. Somewhere.
What are you doing?
See if they have fun color. Well, I don't know. Maybe down here?
Yep.
Yep, down this way. This is actually our first time ever being in Augusta, Georgia. Carrie from Pee Wee's Playhouse. Harry Potter stuff.
Whoa.
Try me on. I will help.
Oh, yes.
Jake the Snake.
Oh. Bundy. 2 Bundys on him.
We got the Mortal Kombat ones on clearance.
Whoa. That. Just ain't Bundy.
Pennywise and Georgie.
Whoa.
And some Fugglers. Alright, guys.
Fuggle shop.
Yep. Sure is. Pins. Alright, guys. That looks like that's it from this one. We will probably see you again. I don't know if I'm going to post these each as... I may post these each as videos so we have some new videos for you guys. So I'll probably post this one, add a couple commercials, and then we'll post a few videos this week for you guys. So we'll have some new stuff coming for you instead of cramming it in one video and making you watch something terribly long.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Tell them where to go, Logan. What to do.
Subscribe, thumbs up, leave a like, hit the bell icon, and some other things.
And guys, we're at 70 subscribers now.
No.
Keep it going. We're trying very hard to hit that 100.
No.
And when we hit that 100, we're going to do something really special. So you'll see. All right. Thank you, guys.